Hey fam, how's everybody doing today? Good, because I just want to show you guys what's on the menu for today. What I'm cooking for dinner. Or what's for dinner, I don't know. But anywho, we have some crock pot collard greens. Now, if you know about crock pot collard greens, my collard green, crock pot only takes 3 bundles of greens, right? I only need a few. Now, I know I shouldn't have took the lid off, but I want you guys to see the juiciness, right? The juiciness in the greens. As soon as I can, you see it? Well, can't get down in there. But anyhow, we got juices going on. And we cook these with some turkey tails, right? The small ones. But anywho, we're going to let that finish on cooking because this takes about 5 to 6 hours in cooking. Now, when you want to cook your collard greens in a crock pot, you always start your crock pot ahead of time. Put it on high. Y'all, mine's been through trouble, but okay, no, that's not here, okay? And you want to submerge your collard greens in that crock pot, right? And then you want to put your flavors and seasoning of your choice. So we have some hot water cornbread. Yes, to go with those collard greens over there, right? Now we have some baby back oven baked ribs, you guys. Now I do not have any sauce on it because the family don't too much like sauce, okay? And we have some chocolate cake. Yes, I cooked that. Yes. Store-bought Betty Crocker, little help, but I cooked it. Like this video, share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing over here on this channel. Now, you guys, I will be back soon with the full video. But until then, enjoy your Sunday with your friends and your family. And sending much love from my house to yours. Bye-bye.